In this tutorial, I'll guide you through upgrading your Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Pro without the need to format or reinstall your operating system. This method allows you to retain your existing Microsoft Office license and all other data tied to your Windows 11 Home version. Begin by right-clicking this PC, selecting Properties, and reinstalling the keys. Then allows you to re-clicking this PC, selecting Properties, and reinstalling this PC. Scroll to the Product Key and Activation section to ensure your Windows is activated with the digital license. Next, disconnect your computer completely from the internet by turning off Wi-Fi, unplugging the LAN cable, and disabling any other connections. Return to this PC, open Properties, navigate to Product Key and Activation, and then select Upgrade your edition of Windows, followed by Change Product Key. Enter the generic product key VK7JG NP HTMC 97 JM 9 MP GT 3V66 and click Next. Follow the prompts to begin the upgrade process, and the system will restart automatically. After restarting, your system will reflect the upgraded Pro version, but the activation state will show as inactive because the generic key only facilitates the upgrade, not activation. To activate, reconnect to the internet via Wi-Fi or LAN, navigate back to Product Key and Activation, select Change Product Key, and enter a genuine Windows 11 Pro license key. Click Next, wait for the system to validate the key with Microsoft Service, and click Activate to configure the process. Finally, go to the Windows Update section in Settings, check for Update, and install all available updates. After completing these steps and restarting your system, you'll notice improvements in the user interface and performance. Your Windows 11 Pro is now fully activated and ready for use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.